Hello from Raquel
and Ricky.
In this week's video, we are going shopping. If you've watched our previous videos, you'll know my mother has recently bought a house and is currently being renovated, but she needs everything for it. And this weekend is Buen Fin.
So Buen Fin in Spanish means, in English means good weekend.
And it's an annual nationwide shopping event in Mexico that began in about 2011.
It occurs the weekend before Mexican Revolutionary Day, which is the third Monday in November.
And in this video, we're going to show you our Buen Fin savings. Hopefully we find some. But we're also going to tell you the regular prices. So if you are coming down and buying a house, or you need to kit out your house with everything, it'll give you an idea of the prices. So I hope you find this video useful. Let's get shopping. Okay, so we're at Plaza Las Americas and we're going to the first shop, Telebodega. Yay! So Telebodega is where Ricky and I bought most of our appliances and mattresses, so we're interested to see what the Buen Fin sales are like. And we lucked out on the washing machine and also on Mum's new oven. We're delighted. Extractor fan purchase. Whew, we're getting there. We are mighty shoppers.
Oh my gosh, yeah, like everything's done appliance-wise, I believe.
Not yet.
Oh, I think so.
So
yeah.
Telly in a stand. Nice.
Nice.
And after testing many mattresses, Mum decided on her king-size mattress and a queen-size mattress. So we felt like Telebodega was a very successful one-stop shop, and here comes the total.
It takes a little while to get cashed out, but you come to this little office and this is where you pay up. The DT's design, it's not a bad shop, but we're going to go to Actual first. It's right beside it in the mall here, just around the corner. $35% off, hopefully that's off everything. So lots of nice furniture in this shop, but on this particular day we didn't buy anything here. So is Actual a bust?
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Beautiful stuff, but not speaking to us today. What's going on?
Torrential downpour, and it's like sheets of rain, and I'm trying to get to the cafe. Let's go!
Oh my goodness. It's a wet one. Of course we have no raincoats, no umbrellas, but we're hardcore shoppers.
Where are we off tonight, girls?
Liverpool.
Cool.
Liverpool had a wonderful sale on, 40% off, and Mum found a couch and love seat that she really liked, and yeah, we're super happy.
Here we go again.
Mum just bought a sofa and a love seat, and our lovely sales help, Joshua, gave us a free chair. Oh yeah, it's nice too.
Okay, Sears. I don't think it's open in Canada anymore, but it's open here. Still alive in Mexico.
So right now we're in Sears. Mum's going cushion crazy. How many do we have, Mum?
14, I think.
14.
14 and counting because it's such a good deal.
They're on, with the discount, I think they work out to 400 pesos each.
Yeah, I mean, it's just fantastic.
Yeah.
At home, it'd be about 80 or 85 bucks a pillow.
Ricky doesn't get it. He thinks we're going cushion crazy.
Cushion crazy! Love it!
Love pillow shopping, what can I say?
Victory!
And in this video we want to thank Victory for buying us these coffees. Gracias.
Thanks for supporting our channel. So yesterday for Buen Fin we went to Cancun, but today we're shaking things up and going to Playa del Carmen. Let's go. Okay, first stop. There's 20% discount in the entire shop. Do you think Guinness would fit inside this backpack?
I doubt it.
It has air holes.
Do you think the sun might warm it up?
I don't know. I love it. Is it? Like too firm?
No, I don't think so. It's and if you wanted, you could have a cushion.
For a bit more support.
Yeah.
Too bad they didn't have it in that pinky purple.
Yeah, it is 2,225 pesos in Canadian dollars.
Lots of nice bar stools. Mom needs 4.
And if you're enjoying this shopping video, if you could take a second and just give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, it really helps out our channel.
Do you
Thanks.
think it's Rufino, Ricky?
It's got everything,
Yeah.
but it's pretty crazy.
Yeah, some like wild stuff, eh?
A lot of Christmas stuff if you're into Christmas, but
Says the Grinch.
yes.
Mum's in like heaven. She loves the Christmas stuff.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful. It's too bad I don't have a lot of storage at home, but I did buy a patio suite here. I bought
4 bar stools.
4 beautiful bar
and
stools
a gorgeous occasional chair.
and a gorgeous occasional chair.
Just waiting to check out. So I think the best way to describe the store is eclectic. We had a lot of fun shopping here. And even without the discount, we feel like the prices were very good. So Mum got 20% off everything she bought. We're delighted with the prices just generally. But they wanted to charge us 10,000 pesos delivery to Puerto. And we're like, meh, sort of defeats the Buen Fin savings, eh?
Big time.
But
yeah.
I did some awesome negotiations with my poco Spanish, and we got the delivery charge for free, so we're super happy, eh?
Oh yeah, Raquel's
So-
negotiating skills are spot on.
I had to draw them a map on a piece of paper, so hopefully it'll all arrive. I don't know, they must not use Google Maps, but anyway.
New personal best.
We just went through Coppel, hoping to find maybe bed frames or whatever, but no luck today. So on to the next shop.
This is a pretty big mall. Never been in here before. It's got a Soriana. It's pretty good.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
cutlery and candles.
Okay, last stop of the day, Home Depot. Hopefully, mostly. So we're in Home Depot here, trying to find tile racks.
So Mum needed 3 kitchen lights, not on track lighting, like individual. So she saw these and she loves them. And we got her ceiling fans and 2 full carts here. How you doing for day 2 of Buen Fin?
Finito.
You're done? Yeah, I'm tired too. Good day shopping, Richard. So although Buen Fin is a 6-day shopping event, we only lasted 2 days. Thanks so much for watching.
What's happening is we are in the pink and white parkade, and we're in the wrong parkade, but none of us were aware of the color that we were before we started shopping, and now
So
we have
we've been
all
lost.
these pillows. Ricky's wandering around with an armful of pillows.
And it's a bit hot.
It's very hot, humid, and we're done.
And there's no bags for the pillows.
And there's no bags for the pillows. So, wish us luck that we find our car and that we don't
Kill each other.
kill each other.